In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Lords of the Fallen with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Lords of the Fallen has essentially seamless co-op, so you can play together with your friends and go through the entire story mode. In order to do this, you will have to look for the first vestige, so this is what it looks like, shared progression co-op. So start a new game and make your way into the first vestige. Your friend will also have to do the same. Another thing to note is that you should set up the session by heading over to multiplayer. So go over to the settings of the game, access multiplayer, and in here set up a session password. This is going to be needed so both of you can connect in the appropriate session and of course no other random people join. The more unique you make this password, the better it is going to be. So don't make something generic like 123. Be sure to include a lot of numbers in a randomized pattern so you and your friends can play together without any interruptions. Make sure that of course that online and allow crossplay are also enabled if needed. Now with all of this done, like I mentioned before, both of you will have to make your way into the first vestige of the game. This is essentially where you will be able to upgrade your character, level up, and so on. Once you make your way to the vestige and you interact with it, one of the options should be multiplayer, assuming that you enabled the online option inside of the multiplayer category on the settings. So choose multiplayer, and now the host will have to back in a player. As long as both of you set up the same password, the host will choose to back in a player, which means that they are looking for people to summon into their world, and your friend will choose the option to join the session with shared progress or simply join session. This will make it so your friend will be looking for sessions to join into, and this means that it will connect both of you together. Keep in mind that Lords of the Fallen can only be played with up to 2 people in the same session, so you and a single friend. And as long as you set up the password correctly, the game will automatically match both of you together, and you will see this message. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I want to highlight that 83% of you who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you will be helping us make higher quality videos and bring the best, most up-to-date solutions to your problems. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.